Hi all, in this video I am going to show you how to simulate circuits using Proteus software. This is a trial version. I have downloaded it from Proteus official website. You can simulate circuits but you cannot save your designs. So after opening Proteus 8 you will see this design window. So there are a lot of options present over here, but in this video we will not go through all of these options. So for now we will just design one simple voltage divider circuit. Click on this P, which is pick devices, search resistor, RES you can type, just go to all categories. Yeah, you will find it here a resistor device and description is generic resistor symbol. Double click, you need a voltage source, you can search battery, select this single cell, double click, and OK. So select battery cell is selected. Just click in the design, with your right click you can do place, then click on this RES resistor. You can place two resistors for making a voltage divider circuit. You can rotate these resistors, right click on it, rotate. For connection purpose just click on the pins here and drag it. It's very easy, just click and connect. Okay, you need ground terminal, right click, S, terminal, then ground, place your ground here, connect it to here. Okay, so we can change this name and this voltage. Just double click on that component, battery. You can view any name you want. Suppose this is voltage source. Let's make it 5 volt. Okay, and let's keep the resistors values as it is. And for measuring the voltage you can have one voltmeter. Yes, go to this symbol, which is instruments, and in that select DC voltmeter and place it over here. Just click and connect positive to this wire and negative to ground. If you connect this negative here and positive at ground, there will be just a sign difference. You will be measuring negative voltage. Okay, so we have made our circuit and just click on run. Here is a run option, click on that. Yeah, so we have applied 5 volts and two resistors of value 10k 10k, same resistor values. So you are seeing here 2.5 volts. That is it is just divided by 2 because you have selected same resistor values. Let's change the resistor value and see what happens. For that, first stop the simulation, stop it, click on the resistor and let's make it suppose 5k. Okay, and run. Yes, now we can see the voltage has changed. So in this way you can simulate simple circuits using Proteus. Thank you.